Good morning, students. Our new topic in the subject of Mathematics 1 is differentiation. So concentrate yourself, class A levels. So first we are going to go through some concepts of differentiation. So look now, the differential of a variable. So if we differentiate with respect to x, the differential of any variable x will be 1. The differential of any constant number will be 0. The differential of any variable having power other than 1, the method will be power will come down, make 1 less from the power, and take the differential of the original value which is having power. So this will be the method. So look now again, any variable which is having power other than 1. So it may be a positive power or it may be a negative power. The method to differentiate this kind of the factor is the power will come down. So look now, 2 will come down. Make 1 less from the power. So 2 minus 1 will be equal to 1. And take the differential of the original variable which is having power. So there is x. So that's why differential of x. So in this second step, that will be equal to 2x. And differential of x is, is 1. So this will be 2x. So this will be the method which we will follow to solve these kind of questions. Here is another type of the question. So look now, differential of any factor which is having a coefficient and power other than 1. So the same method will be followed. So look now, this is power other than 1, so power will come down. So when it will come down, so 3 2s are 6. So look now, power is coming down. Make 1 less from the power. So 1 less from the power will be 3 minus 1. And take the differential of the original variable which is having power. So this is the thing. And now we will solve it. So look now, it will become 2 3s are 6 x square. And differential of x is, 1. So answer is 6x square. So these are the concepts which we will follow to solve the question in this category. That is actually constant multiples, sums and differences in differentiation. So first you have to understand and learn these concepts before doing the question. And we are going to solve some question now. So come now. So look now, we are going to solve some questions. The statement is differentiate with respect to x. The first question which we are putting here is x cube. Okay, first part is x cube. So look now, the statement is differentiate with respect to x. So we are going to differentiate it with respect to x. So d over dx into x cube. So this is the sign of the differentiation, d over dx with respect to x. So that's why x will be in the denominator, d over dx. So because with respect to x. So now the method will be same. Power will come down. Make 1 less from the power. And take the differential of the variable which is having power. So this is the step. So now we will solve it. So 3x square into answer of differential of x will be 1. So 3x square is the answer. Okay, we are going to put another question, that is 3x raised to power 4. So look now, 3x raised to power 4. So look now, d over dx of 3x raised to power 4. So method will be same again. This 4 will come down. So this 3 is still there. 4 is coming down. Make 1 less from the power. So x raised to power 4 minus 1. And take the differential of the original value which is having power. So of x. So now solve it. 3 4s are 12. X cube and differential of x is 1. So 12x cube will be the answer. Okay, some more questions are here. So look now, another question is 2x raised to power 5. Third part, 2x raised to power 5 plus 4x cube plus 6x square. So here is the question. So again, the requirement is differentiate with respect to x, because you have understand the concept. So now we will solve it directly. So look now, we are just writing here differentiate with respect to x. So look now, r will come down. So 5 2s are 10. Make 1 less from the power. It will become x4. And take the differential of the variable which is having power. So differential of x will be 1. So 1 into this one will be 10x raised to power 4. Because when we multiply 1 with anything, there is no change in the value. So because 10 ones are 10, 9 ones are 9, x ones are x. So 10x raised to power 4 into 1 will be 10x raised to power 4. So look now, we are going to solve it now. Power will come down. So 3 4s are 12. Here is plus. Make 1 less from the power. It will be x2 now. And take the differential of x. So into 1 will make no effect. So moving further, now we are going to solve it. So 2 6 are 12. So plus 12. Make 1 less from the power. So it will be x. And take the differential of the x, that will be 1. So no effect. So this is the answer. So we will solve question now directly, because we have understand the concepts. So another question is here. For example, 3x plus 2 raised to the power 4. So you have to concentrate here, because this is somewhat technical, but the concepts will be same. Concepts are power will come down, make 1 less from the power, and take the differential of the value which is having power. So this is the sentence which you have to learn first. So look now, differentiate with respect to x. So power will come down, make 1 less from the power, that will be 3 then, and take the differential of the thing which is having power. So look now, this is the factor which is having power. So we have to take the differential of 3x plus 2. So again, repeat sentence in your mind. Power will come down, make 1 less from the power, and take the differential of the thing which is having power. So in this question, 3x plus 2 is having power. So power will come down, make 1 less from the power, and take the differential of the thing which is having power. So this is the step. Now we will proceed further. So 4 into 3x plus 2 raised to the power 3 as it is, and differential of this thing. So look now, this is constant value. The differential of any constant value is 0. So it will be 0. And here The differential of the x will be 1, so 3 will be left. So look now, this is 3. So this is the differential of 3x plus 2. Again look, the differential of the constant value is 0. The differential of the 3x will be, because differential of x is 1, so 1 into 3 will be 3. So differential of 3x plus 2 will be 3. And now we will solve it. 4 3s are 12 into 3x plus 2 raised to the power 3 is the answer. Okay, we are going to solve some more questions. For example, 2 over, next part, fifth, 2 over 5 minus x whole cube. So this is the question. So actually, book setter is making question more and more difficult, but the concepts will be same. First, you have to convert the question according to your criteria. So look at this question. First, we will somewhat transform the question. So look now, we will write this question as 2 into 5 minus x raised to the power minus 3, because we have learned a rule from the algebra that whenever a value go from numerator to denominator or from denominator to numerator, the power sign will be changed. So if in the denominator 5 minus x is having a power 3, so when it will go numerator, so the power will become a minus 3. So this is the question now. Okay, now I'm going to tell you an other advanced way now. So this is the value. Let it equal to y. So let it equal to y. Now the differentiation will be, from now onward we will solve the question with this method now, because this is an advanced method. So let the value equal to y. Now the requirement is differentiate with respect to x, so that's why dy by dx will be equal to, and now the same method will be applied. So this 2 is still there, power will come down. So look now, power has come down, make 1 less from the power, so 5 minus x, so minus 3 minus 1, make 1 less from the power, and take the differential of the value which is having power. So this is the value which is having power, so take its differential. So now next step, 3 minus 3 into 2 will be minus 6 into 5 minus x raised to the power minus 4, and differential of this constant will be 0, but differential of x will be 1, but x is having sign minus, so differential of this factor will be minus 1. Again listen, differential of constant will be 0, but differential of variable is 1, but variable is having sign minus, so that's why the answer will be minus 1. So look now, this is minus 1. Solve it further. This minus 1 into minus 6 will be plus 6 into 5 minus x raised to the power minus 4. So this is the answer. Okay. Solving at another question. That is, this is fifth part, so this is sixth part now. So 2 plus 4x into square root x plus 3x square into square root x. So look now, here is another question. The paper checker again is trying to confuse you, but you first try to make the question into your formation. So look now. First, we are going to transform the question to some extent. So 2 plus 4 will remain as it is, because now variables are same, bases are same, pars will be added. So its par is 1 and the next variable's par is 1 by 2. So look now, this is again another formula of the algebra. When bases are same, pars will be added. So look now, 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, moving further, same method will be applied here. So bases are same, pars will be added. So 2 plus 1 by 2. Still, we are actually transforming the question. We are not starting the question to differentiate now. First, we have to differentiate. First, we have to make the question come into our circle. So then concepts will be applied. So look now, 2 plus 4. This we have to take the LCM. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus this 3 same, and the power of x will become 5 by 2 of this variable. So this question has come into our circle now. So look now, we can easily differentiate this question now. So let y at this step equal to this one. So now dy by dx will be equal to, differential of constant value is 0. So 0 is finished. So now this factor is going to be differentiated. This 4 will remain as it is. Par will come down. Make 1 less from the par. And take the differential of the value which is having par. So x is the function which is having par. So differential of x will be 1. So there is no need to 1 because we have discussed it earlier. There is no effect of multiplying 1 with anything. So moving further, now we are going to solve it. So plus 3 will remain as it is. Par will come down. Make 1 less from the par. And take the differential of the variable which is having par. So x is the function which is having par. So differential of x will be 1. So there is no need to write 1. So this is the thing which is the final step. If we solve it, the answer will be there. So look now, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. And after taking LCM of this one, this will be 1 by 2. This is plus still there. 15 by 2. Taking LCM of this one will give us 3 by 2. So x raised to power 3 by 2. So this is the answer. So these are the questions, students. Practice them at home and make your concept strong, because if you have full command over these concepts, then the next topic in the differentiation will be much easier for you. So practice at home. Thank you so much.